안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make kimchi stew, kimchi jjigae. If you are interested in Korean food, you might have heard about kimchi at least once. We make many dishes using kimchi. Kimchi is an essential side dish in Korean cuisine. Especially kimchi jjigae is one of the most common dishes on the Korean table. The taste of kimchi jjigae depends on the level of fermentation of the kimchi used. When the kimchi is less fermented, then the stew is sweet. And the kimchi is well fermented, then the stew is sour. In Korea, we use sour and well fermented kimchi when we make kimchi jjigae. If you have kimchi jjigae, you don't need any side dish. In this stew, there are well fermented kimchi, pork, and tofu. Only with this stew, you can taste various flavors and texture. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to make pork broth. Pour the water in the pot and put pork in it. The longer you boil this, you can get the deep and tasty broth. During the time, cut kimchi if your kimchi is not cut. Just cut into bite-sized pieces like this. Next, wash the tofu and cut it into thick pieces. When the broth is ready, put kimchi and keep boiling. After 5 minutes, add soy sauce, red pepper powder, minced garlic, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat for 15 minutes. Once the kimchi is tender, add tofu. Cook for 10 minutes more. Okay, kimchi jjigae is ready and my rice is ready too. Let me taste the soup first. It's so good. It's a little bit sour, but not as sour as vinegar. It's just stimulating my appetite. And it's not spicy for me, but if you are afraid of spiciness, then don't add red pepper powder. Okay, then next, let's try kimchi and pork. Kimchi is tender, but it still has crunchiness, and the pork is very soft and juicy, such great texture. And I will show you how to eat kimchi jjigae like a Korean. First, put kimchi and pork and tofu on your rice and add some soup and mix it. Mix it with rice, everything. And after that, my mouth is watering. After that, eat. Today I made kimchi jjigae. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.